My name is Cathal Murnane. This is my first aid demonstration skills of a fractured ankle. Scenario is myself and a fellow walker up the mountain. She's fallen and broken her ankle. I have called rescue services 112 straight away, ETA 2 hours. So my first assessment of the patient is to check and see if there's any piercing of the skin of the breakage, any bleeding. In case of any bleeding, dress and try and stop the bleeding as much as possible. Second is to try and keep the legs as close together, and so we'd splint them together using our triangle bandages in our first aid kit. If we have no bandages, we can use whatever is useful. Any ties in your bag, ropes, I suppose, whatever comes handy. I'm going to put something stable in between the legs just to keep them comfortable together. We have a breakage on our right ankle, so I'm going to make sure that the right ankle is put up together. I'm going to feed the triangle bandages through the back of our legs. Try and keep the limbs as straight and try not to move them as much as possible. Feeding the bandages up to the top of our knees and then bracing them together as tight, but not as, so she's not in any pain. There's one. Same again, try not to move the limb as much as possible. Feed them underneath her ankles. Moving them up to her knees, just underneath the knees. Tie off to the side. And the last one down at her feet. Feed it through the top of her ankles. Bring it down to her feet. So now she's nice and stable, there's no more risk of any more injury. So all we can do now is try and make her as comfortable as possible and just await for emergency services rescue to arrive. If you have any extra clothing, try and keep her warm. And give her an extra jacket. Normally you should have a bivy bag or a storm shelter. Keep her out of elements if there's any rain. Wrap her up with a jacket. See if she has any extra clothing in her bag. Keeping her hydrated, keeping her warm. Put some gloves on. If I had my bivvy, I'd wrap her up, keep her dry, and then probably stuff her bags into her back, try and keep her posture so she doesn't get sore. and that's all you can really do, and wait until service have arrived. Thanks for watching. My name is Cathal Murnane. Skills demonstration, first aid. Thank you.